Hello everyone, welcome back to This, That, and More. My name is Jackie. Today's video is a special one. I am decluttering this closet and reorganizing it. This is my hallway closet, which is supposed to be a linen, but it is currently a multi-functional closet. So I'm taking you with me on this journey, so let's get started. Everything that was in that closet. Like I was telling you before, it is a multi-functional closet. So you see I have my things, I have house things, I have bedroom things, and I have linen things, I have medicine cabinet things, all in there. And it's not, so I'm using my table as a station so that I can look through everything, see what I don't need, what I haven't used, and what is empty, and what needs to be thrown away, and then what needs to be reorganized and put into the closet. Look at how many cotton balls bags I have. 2 unopened and then 1 halfway. This is what I mean, when your closet is in depth and you don't see what gets pushed to the back, you buy multiple cotton and you buy multiple things because you think you don't have, and then you do, but it's stuck in the back. So again, these are the items that I need to go through. I have my dog things in there, so we're gonna go through this together and then we're gonna put it back into place. All right, let's get started. So this is going to be the bin that I'm going to have for my hair tools to put it comfortably into the closet. The next bin that I'm going to be working on is my nail polish bin. So I'm going to take everything out, take a look at all the colors, see if there are any old ones gotta go or ones that I don't use, and go ahead and get this situated correctly. So look at all the nail polishes that I took out of this bin, and I have nail filers, I have nail polish remover, I even have these press-on nails that I used to use, which I haven't used them because I've been going to the actual nail salon, but I am going to throw those away, and I'm gonna look through the nail polishes and see which one I want to keep and what I want to either donate to my mom or my sister. But the nail press-ons, they're probably, I won't donate it to them because I've used them and I'm sure that they're missing a few of them, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw those away. So this bin is done, and this is the nail polishes that I'm staying with. These are the ones that I'm gonna donate. I know it's not much, but I still like these colors and are the ones that I use, especially these for the summer. And so I don't have a lot of winter colors here, just a few. This one and this one and this one are more wintry, this line. but a lot more are summery and spring colors. And hello, I live in Florida, so but everything is going to be staying, and I'm going to be donating those, but this bin is complete. Okay, so this basket actually has a lot of things, and this is like a multi-purpose basket. So I'm gonna open this one, which is a stronger bin, and there's a much more space, so I can add this and other things that are in the same category. FYI, I am not speaking to myself. I'm actually speaking to my husband and just informing him of things that I found in the previous basket, things that we didn't know that we had. So I'm just going over it with him. So I'm not talking to myself, just an FYI. So in this basket, we have all household items, from hand sanitizer to alcohol to Vicks, Vaseline. So all of them is nice and neat. Now I'm gonna switch my foot care basket into this larger basket because it is larger, so it will fit more items. And this basket that is holding my jewelry is flimsy. I'm gonna switch it with the basket that has all the foot items. And I'm actually just going ahead and cleaning out this basket because it had foot items, and I'm gonna be putting my jewelry in there. I'm using the surface wipe cleaning wipes from the Dollar Tree. I actually got this in my haul, so if you haven't watched that video, go ahead and take a look at it. It is a good one. I am just drying up the basket because the wipes were actually very soapy, and so I just wanted to dry it up before I put any of my jewelries in there. Alright everyone, so a quick look at the way the baskets are going so far. So you see the first basket has my household items, which you saw me actually organized on camera. My second basket is my toilet paper. That was not necessary to show you how to do that. And a third basket, I'm going to be actually putting heating tools like heating pads and things like that. Now on this side, I have my foot care basket, my bathroom basket, and I have my heating tools for my hair basket. I have my jewelry, and I have my nail care. And these are the items that are left over. I have some items here for travel and some household items that really are not going to go in the basket. So I wanted to show you this basket being organized on camera. I'm adding here these tube socks with rice. It is a home remedy. If you are not aware of this, you add some rice in a tube sock and then you can use it as a heating pad. Okay guys, now that all my baskets are organized, I'm gonna work on this closet. This house is actually from 1974. So the closet shelves look like they are the original shelves, and they kind of have these ridges on it, and it looks really dingy and old. So I bought this contact paper in the Dollar Tree haul, and I'm going to cover my shelves to kind of give it a prettier look and kind of give it some life. Alright guys, so the contact paper, no good. It is lifting up right there on the edge. It is not adhering to the shelf, and it made the closet look even older. So I am not gonna keep this. The shelves just look horrible. I'm just gonna go ahead and paint the closet all white, and I'm even gonna remove those little crown moldings that it has on the edge. Alright guys, so I started painting the closet off camera. I removed the crown moldings. If you don't remember what it looked like, here's a picture. That is what it was like before. I removed it, I sanded, and I'm starting to paint it. However, even with the sand and painting it, you can see the edges look like it's unfinished. So in a later video, I will be showing you an update of me adding some type of edging to this shelf. Alright guys, so here is the closet, all painted white. Looks so much better. I am so happy with the turnout. So I'm gonna go ahead and start adding the baskets back in and finish this look. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. I am so happy with the way this project turned out. I cannot be happier. I am very proud of myself for even getting it this far, but I'm so grateful that I was able to organize this closet and make it efficient for me and my husband. So I hope that this will motivate you to go ahead and organize and declutter your closet. The best way to do it is like how I did it in the beginning of the video. Take everything out, guys, and that way you can take a look at what you have, what needs to be thrown away, what needs to be restocked, and throw things that are empty or expired. But this is a proud moment for myself, and I hope that this was an encouragement for you and that you will be motivated to go ahead and also do it for your home. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this a video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.